Hello, beauty lovers, and welcome back to Nutrinova TV. Today, we're exploring the miraculous benefits of a common household staple that you probably have in your kitchen right now, baking soda. This simple yet versatile ingredient is not just for baking. It's a powerhouse for enhancing your beauty regimen from head to toe. If you're ready to discover how to use baking soda to elevate your beauty routine, keep watching. You'll be amazed at the number of things baking soda can do for you. Natural deodorant. Baking soda is a powerful alternative to chemically laden deodorants. It naturally absorbs moisture and neutralizes body odor, making it an effective and simple deodorant solution. To use, apply a paste made from baking soda and water to your underarms, or for a quicker application, pat some dry baking soda directly onto the skin. This method is particularly beneficial for those with sensitive skin or allergies to conventional deodorants, as it avoids irritants and provides long-lasting freshness. Foot soak and exfoliator. Treat your feet to a relaxing baking soda soak to soften the skin and alleviate foot odor. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a basin of warm water and soak your feet. For an enhanced experience, use a paste of baking soda and water to scrub your feet gently. This helps exfoliate dead skin and smooth rough patches, leaving your feet feeling refreshed and pampered. Softens hands. For soft, smooth hands, baking soda offers a natural and effective solution. Combine it with water to form a paste and gently massage it into your hands. This natural scrub exfoliates dead skin and smooths rough patches, leaving your hands feeling nourished and rejuvenated. Regular use can help maintain softness and prevent dryness, especially in harsh weather conditions. Teeth whitening. Looking for a brighter smile without the high cost of professional treatments? Baking soda is a gentle yet effective abrasive that can remove surface stains from your teeth. It also neutralizes harmful acids produced by oral bacteria, combating plaque in the process. For daily use, sprinkle a small amount of baking soda on your toothpaste when you brush. Remember to use this sparingly to avoid wearing away tooth enamel. Improves skin complexion. Baking soda is an excellent choice for improving skin complexion, particularly if you struggle with uneven skin tones. As a gentle exfoliant, baking soda helps remove dead skin cells without the harsh effects of chemical treatments. By mixing a small amount of baking soda with water to create a paste and applying it to the face, you can enhance your skin's clarity and texture. Gently scrub in circular motions, then rinse with warm water. This process promotes a clearer, more even-toned appearance by balancing the skin's pH and encouraging the renewal of skin cells. Sunburn relief. Baking soda is exceptionally beneficial for treating painful sunburns due to its alkaline properties that help reduce the sting and itch. For a soothing remedy, dissolve half a cup of baking soda in a bathtub filled with lukewarm water and soak in it to ease the irritation. This simple solution works wonders by helping the skin retain moisture and accelerating the healing process. Baking soda's mild properties soothe the affected area, reducing inflammation and cooling the skin. This treatment not only provides immediate relief, but also helps in the quicker restoration of the skin's natural pH levels, promoting faster recovery and preventing peeling. Relieves itchy skin and insect bites. Baking soda is an excellent remedy for itchy skin and insect bites due to its soothing properties. Applying a paste of baking soda and water to irritated areas can alleviate discomfort almost instantly. This treatment helps to reduce redness and inflammation, providing relief from the itching and irritation associated with bites and other skin irritations. Clarifies hair. Oily hair can benefit significantly from baking soda due to its ability to break down grease and remove buildup from hair care products. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with your regular shampoo to create a deep cleansing lather that leaves your hair looking clean and voluminous. This treatment effectively removes impurities and revitalizes the hair, making it appear lighter and more manageable without the use of harsh chemicals. Dandruff control. The antifungal properties of baking soda make it an effective remedy for dandruff. Its mild abrasive nature helps to exfoliate the scalp, removing dead skin cells and reducing flakiness. By adding a teaspoon of baking soda to your regular shampoo and washing, as usual, you can enhance the health of your scalp. This method not only controls existing dandruff, but also prevents future flakiness by maintaining the natural balance of oils on the scalp. Acne and pimple treatment. Baking soda's natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent choice for combating acne and pimples. It effectively cleanses the skin of germs and reduces inflammation, helping to clear up existing blemishes and prevent future outbreaks. Additionally, baking soda helps to balance the skin's pH, reducing the likelihood of further acne problems. For a simple treatment, create a paste with baking soda and a little water. Apply it directly to the affected areas. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, and then rinse off. These 10 miraculous beauty benefits of baking soda show just how versatile this common kitchen ingredient can be in enhancing your beauty routine naturally and affordably. From skincare and oral care to hair treatments and more, baking soda offers a multitude of beauty solutions. Thank you for watching this episode on Nutrinova TV. If you found these baking soda tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. We love to hear from you, so please leave a comment below, sharing your experiences or any additional tips you might have. Until next time, keep exploring natural beauty solutions that are not only effective, but also kind to your wallet and the planet. Stay beautiful.